Hello, so if anyone's watching this video, I uploaded this video recently, but it got some copyright issues, so I deleted the first upload, and this is my second upload of uploading it in YouTube, and this is going to be like it's a speed paint of me drawing, and that's it. I don't know what to talk about to you guys, but what do you guys want to hear? That's what I want to know. Like, if there's any topic you want me to talk about, like anything about drawing or anything about traditional Bengali drawing, like Jamini Roy painting or like the Chitrakola in Bengal. That's like the biggest thing like I know about art. Like that's the most thing people don't know about the like that type of art, like Jamini Roy art. They are like so versatile and they're like so simple yet so creative, but people barely know about his works, right? Like if you don't know him, go on search him on Google or ask ChatGPT if you have ChatGPT. Like ChatGPT is going to give you all the things you want to know about Jamini Roy painting. Like they are so fabulous and they tell a story in such a creative way. Like I love those, and they're so satisfying to draw also. Like they are so simple yet so creative, because they are traditional drawings which are created by Jamira himself, and he used all the natural colors he made himself, like from nature, like from leaves or from flowers. He makes the color that he used professionally in his drawings. So bye bye. Watch the rest of the video if you want, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Deepshikha and welcome to my channel. Subscribe if you want to. Bye bye.